and now we are going to be talking all about the big IPO that's got listed today, Bajaj Housing Finance IPO. Abni will be coming to you for a view as well. But first up, Pawan right here is going to be getting us all the data points of how the listing was and what goes next. What are the brokerage houses really expecting now? Take it away, Pawan.
So good afternoon, viewers. Good afternoon, Sakshi. So Bajaj Housing Finance, which was listed today, it saw a very strong listing, and the company became a multi-bagger on its debut itself. The issue was listed at 150 rupees, up 114 odd percentage over the issue price of rupees 70. So let's talk about the IPO details first. The company raised around 6,560 crores from its issue, and the issue was overall subscribed about 64 times. So, Sakshi, as we all know that it was an historic IPO which attracted bids worth rupees 3.25 lakh crores. No Indian issue has attracted so much of the bids. So, let's talk about what analysts are saying after the listing. So, Shivani Nyati from Swastika Investmart, she's suggesting that investors should consider booking profits after this historic listing, and but the long-term investors can put a stop loss at rupees 135. Prashant Apse from Mehta Equities is also suggesting conservative investors to book profit, but long-term investors may continue to hold the stock for a long-term period. Mahesh M. Oja from Hensex Securities is suggesting that investors should avoid taking fresh positions at this place. They should consider buying the stock around 135 to 140 levels. That should be the ideal range for a new entry in this particular stocks. So, Sakshi, majority of analysts, if we sum up this entire view, so majority of investors and analysts are suggesting that investors should consider profit booking, but those with a long-term view can continue to hold the stock for in their portfolio. That's all from my side, Sakshi.
Right, Pavan. Thanks a lot for joining in. Okay, so let's in fact take the first question also, which is on Bajaj Housing Finance from one of our viewers as well. I think Mohit Yadav is now joining in. Mohit Yadav has also written a question on Bajaj Housing Finance, and his question is that मुझे Bajaj Housing Finance IPO का एक लॉट मिला है, तो उसे मैं बेच दूं या फिर मैं होल्ड करूं? ये सवाल आया है अवनी आपके लिए. आई एम श्योर दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट every retail investor is asking today after who has got lucky by getting that IPO. Over 100% gains, that really calls for a lot of doubt within the minds of people as to whether they should be looking at listing gains or should they be looking at long-term opportunity. What is it that you are suggesting people?
So obviously, since it is listed just today, there are no technical charts available for the stock. But I would suggest that in any kind of IPO, when the listing is blockbuster, we usually see some profit booking eventually, and then it may consolidate for some time and then start moving up again. So if you have one lot allotted, congratulations for that, but you should be booking out profit.